show you how I season my cast iron pans. This is a beauty. This is a 12-inch fry pan, cast iron, that I got for Christmas, and I absolutely love this. You can cook the best food in cast iron, I'm telling you, and it's such easy maintenance. Okay, but with that, I've got this washed and dried really good. I just washed it in a little bit of soapy water, and that's the first and only time my pan will ever be washed with soap. I won't wash it again with soap. I just clean it real good with some nice hot water, and then I season it. But anyway, so I got some Crisco, or some, you know, the shortening. Not oil, but shortening. And I'm just going to rub it all in here really good. Rub the edges, top. This will be beautiful when it's done. Okay? Gorgeous. Rub the top of the handle there. Okay, now I'm just going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the outside too. I need a little more on my short. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the outside edges. Get my handle and everything. I season my entire pan. So there we have it. I've got it all rubbed inside and out with good shortening. Got a nice layer on it. Now I'm just going to put this in a 350-degree oven. I'm going to set it upside down on my one cookie sheet, and I'm just going to leave it go for a good couple hours. So when it's all done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how nice that turns out. Hey friends, this is all done. It stayed in the oven for 2 hours at 350 degrees after I slathered it down with a little shortening. And then I just turned the oven off and I let it completely cool right in the oven. About another 2 hours. It's nice and cold now. See, I can pick it up. It's beautiful. Beautiful. That's how easy it is to season your cast iron. I'm going to hang that in my pantry, and I'll probably make some fried potatoes in that. That's wonderful. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.